Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact KitKat build and that your device is supported. This avoids wasted effort later. Once done, enable USB debugging and install the OEM drivers so the device communicates reliably. Then clone or download the KitKat source and the matching toolchain. This gives you the compiler and binaries you need. Make sure to set up your recommended disk layout and export path to the toolchain so builds use the correct compiler and headers. Now apply any device-specific patches and add vendor blobs. These bridge proprietary drivers to the open source tree. Next, source the build environment and run launch for your target. This configures the build variables. Then kick off an incremental build with parallel jobs to save time. While compiling, monitor logs for missing headers or unresolved symbols so you can address them immediately. Fixing those early prevents lengthy rebuilds and keeps the process moving smoothly. Finish by packaging and flashing the generated system, boot, and recovery images with Fastboot. Use Fastboot OEM unlock if needed and flash each partition in order. After flashing, boot the device and verify core functions, Wi-Fi, telephony, and camera, so you catch regressions early. If something fails, capture Logcat and dmesk immediately and compare timestamps to the build. This is your most useful troubleshooting tip, because the kernel and Android logs reveal missing drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.